A video has been uploaded to YouTube showing off a quick hands-on with both of the devices. While it doesn't really show us anything that we didn't already see in previous leaks, this is the first time that either device is being shown off in the real world. The video starts by showing off the Galaxy Z Fold 3's inner display, before being closed to show the cover display and how it's functionally the same as the Z Fold 2. Then, the inner screen is unfolded again while showing off what Samsung's new under-display camera actually looks like. As you can see from the video, it appears that Samsung did a pretty damn good job at hiding the 4MP selfie camera. You can't see it even when the screen is white, and it's barely visible with a black background. It isn't until the videographer zooms in on the camera module that you can really even tell that it's there. There's even another video from the same YouTube channel showing off what the camera looks like, or doesn't, when using different apps. As a reminder, Samsung Unpacked is slated to kick off tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. The video will be live-streamed on YouTube, so you can follow along with the rest of the world as Samsung's next iteration of foldable phones is announced.